Alright guys, today we're working on a 1997 Toyota. It's a 4Runner. Yeah, the old 4Runner. I want to get the blade on there. Toyota. Limited. Has everything. Well, it also has a rear heater core for the rear passengers, a rear heater. Well, ooh. Oh, looky there. Wetter than shit. Sweet like antifreeze. So we're gonna go ahead and repair that. Just replace all that damn steel line. So I'll bring you back when I got it out. Well, got him out. Totally just shit. Found some nice metal to cut up over in that area. Had to go a little further there. It was some rust. That's where they were leaking. They're just falling apart right there. Like nothing. And, we unhooked them back at the rubber and cut them right here. We'll use some good rubber hose to couple it all together and some nice clamps. So I'll bring you back when it's done, show you what it looks like. Alright, we're just bending these lines out of some 3/8 steel tube and connecting it with rubber and decent hose clamps. It'll work fine. A lot better than what was there. I'll show you what it looks like. Put it in here in a minute. Alright guys, we got it all in, clamped down, zip tied, all that good stuff. There's a zip tie and there's a zip tie down there. Keep it off that hot ass exhaust over there. And this is what it looks like from underneath. All done up. Nice and pretty, like. We're gonna fill it up, fire it up, see if it leaks. Bring it back when I'm done. Alright. All hooked up. Engine running. Nice and dry. Nothing going on up here. So, we're good. She's all warmed up and holding. Got heat in the rear heater. Everything's good. So this one's done, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.